Welcome to my PopMax video. In today's video, I want to show you how to register in PopMax, and you need to prepare your wallet first before you start your registration. So I am going to very quickly show you how to prepare your wallet. Okay, the acceptable wallets in PopMax are Trust Wallet, BitGet Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, and SafePower Wallet. So you can use either of these four wallets. Okay, you need only one out of the four. You can use any one. So in this video tutorial, I am going to use Trust Wallet. So if you are using mobile phone, go to your Play Store. If you are using Apple phone, just go to your App Store and click on your Play Store. When you click on your Play Store, go to the search bar and type Trust Wallet. Okay, once you type Trust Wallet will pop out. You just download it and install it and set it up. Once you set it up, the next thing you will do is to click on the Trust Wallet. When you click on the Trust Wallet will open. When the Trust Wallet opens on your mobile phone, you go to Home. Okay, when you click on Home, because it's a brand new wallet, you will need to add the USDT and the BNB into your list of cryptocurrency. So therefore, you click on Manage Crypto. Okay, so click on Manage Crypto. When you hit the button Manage Crypto, it will take you to the next page. Now, on this next page, on the search bar, type in BNB. When you type in BNB and search for BNB, you should be able to see BNB Smart Chain. Just click on the switch to toggle it on. Once you click on the switch and toggle it on, the next thing you will do is to do the same for USDT, because we need those two cryptocurrencies before you will start. So you do the same for USDT, toggle the button on. Make sure the USDT you are selecting is USDT BNB Smart Chain, as you can see from here. Okay, USDT BNB Smart Chain. This is the one we need to start your PopMax, and this is the BNB we need for gas fees for your PopMax. So we need those two. So make sure you follow these instructions, and once you have switched all of this on and they are now appearing in your Trust Wallet, the next thing you will do is to fund your Trust Wallet. You have two ways to fund your Trust Wallet. The first one is to go to Home on your Trust Wallet and select Buy. When you click Buy, it will give you options to buy your USDT and your BNB. Now, the minimum to start PopMax is 100 USDT and minimum of $10 worth of BNB. Okay, for your gas fee. So you need a total of $110 to get started. Alternative way of sending or getting your USDT is to use Binance or Kraken or KuCoin in any of those centralized exchanges. You can go there and send your USDT BEP20 into your Trust Wallet and your BNB from that exchange to your Trust Wallet. Okay, I have a separate video I have done showing you how to transfer your USDT from your Binance to your Trust Wallet, and also how to send your BNB from your Binance to your Trust Wallet. So you have two options really to fund your wallet. However, this first 5 minutes of video preparing your wallet may not be useful to some people that are already in the crypto world. Okay, if you are already in the crypto space, you should have gotten your Trust Wallet already and you know how to use your Trust Wallet. So if you are in that category, please skip this bit and go straight to the registration section of this video. Okay, so this is how to prepare your wallet. Let's now move into the registration video. All right, so this is the main registration video started from here. The first 5 minutes or 4 minutes was for people that don't know how to download Trust Wallet and how to prepare their Trust Wallet. But if you know how to prepare your wallet, then that is fine. You don't need to watch the first 5 minutes. So once your wallet is ready, you have your money in your wallet, you have your 100 USDT and you have your $10 worth of BNB in your Trust Wallet. The next thing you will do is you copy the link I have given you, okay? Or look below this video description, you will see my link. Copy the link, okay, which is this link. This is my referral code and this is my referral link. So copy the referral link and then go to your Trust Wallet, click on discover, making sure that you have your USDT, okay, BNB Smart Chain, $100 minimum. You can put 1,000, 10,000, okay, depending on how much you feel you want to use to start PopMax, but the minimum to start is $100. So make sure that your Trust Wallet have $100 and it has the BNB, and then you copy my referral link now. Okay, remember the process. Get your wallet prepared first before you begin the registration process. So copy my referral link, go to your Trust Wallet, click on discover bottom right. When you click on discover bottom right, it will take you to this page. All you need to do is to paste my referral link here where it says enter the app URL. You paste my referral link there and then you click on the first drop down Google link. Okay, so you click there. When you click there, it will take you to this page asking you to confirm and accept the terms of use. So this is like a disclaimer from Trust Wallet. Okay, so click confirm. When you click confirm, it's going to take you to this page. Once you are on this page, remember to click connect wallet. Okay, top right, connect your wallet. Once you hit connect wallet, this page will open up for you to connect the D app to your Trust Wallet. So now select Trust Wallet from the list of the wallet. Okay, when you select Trust Wallet, this page will now open for you to connect your wallet. So click connect wallet. When you click connect wallet, this page will open for you. Once this page opens, confirm my referral code is correct. Okay, this is my referral code. If I am the one that referred you, this will be my code. It will automatically populate in that referral code section. The next thing you will then do is to click register. Once you hit register, this page will now open for you to sign, which is for you to approve. So click sign. When you click sign, this page will open for you and it means you have completed your registration. Okay, now the next thing is to fund your account. So you click on the blue purple that is in the middle. Okay, so click this blue purple button. Okay, once you click this blue purple button, it will take you into this page. Once you are in this page, what you need to do first of all is to select the number of days, 360. Okay, that's the one that is popular. You have the option to select other, contracts, 10 days contract, 30 days contract, 90 days contract, 180 days contract. It's entirely up to you. But the reason why I am using the 360 for this video tutorial is to allow you to earn the highest percentage per day, which is 1% per day for $100 that you are going to use for staking. If you put in 1,000, 500, 5,000, 10,000, you will still earn 1% on a daily basis. Okay, but of course, somebody that is staking with 100 earning 1% is not the same as somebody that is staking with 1,000 earning the same 1%. So select 360, that is my recommendation, and then switch on the automatic proportionate button and then enter the amount of money that you have. Okay, in this case I entered 105. Okay, but if it is only 100 that is in your Trust Wallet, just enter 100, and then once that is done, okay, you come to the approve section, you slide this button from left to right. Once you slide it from left to right, this page will open. Okay, it will ask you to switch your network to Binance Smart Chain network. So therefore, click on BNB Smart Chain. Once you hit the button, BNB Smart Chain is going to take you to this page for you to actually connect your PopMax to your wallet. Okay, so click connect. Once you click connect, it will take you to this page. On this page, it's asking you to approve. Okay, so you click approve. Once you click approve, it's going to bring you to this page. Okay, now this page is a warning page, and it's going to tell you that this address is unsafe as identified by hash date. Now, don't worry about this. This is normal for any D app that you are connecting to your Trust Wallet. Okay, so all you need to do is to click proceed anyway. Okay, so click proceed anyway. Once you click proceed anyway, that will now take you to this page. So once you are on this page, you enter the 360, select the 360 again, and then switch on the auto proportional button, and then enter the amount of your USDT that you want to use for staking, and then you slide this mint button. So you can see that the first one was approved, this one is now mint. It's two different screens. Okay, so now you slide from left to right, okay, for you to start minting. So once you slide from left to right, this page will open for you to click to approve it. Okay, so click to approve the smart contract that you want to set up just now. So once you click to approve the smart contract, the system will register you, and all your money will go into staking. So congratulations, you have completed the whole registration process. This is it, very easy. So going forward, you will be earning 1% every single day on the $100 or more than $100 that you have used to stake in PopMax. And you can withdraw every day as well. Okay, so as you make your profit, so also you will withdraw every single day. The minimum to withdraw as at when I'm recording this video is 100 PPT. Your profit will drop exactly 24 hours from the day or from the time that you completed your registration. That is it. Thank you very much, guys. Welcome. Don't forget to use the link below to join PopMax. It's easy to join if you follow all of these instructions that I have given in this video. Otherwise, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or even Messenger, and I will talk you through how to do this if you are still struggling after watching this video. All right, so welcome. Thank you. God bless.